Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered the installation guide of this DNP3 client master simulator. Okay, now in this video we will see the installation guide of DNP3 Outstation server simulator. So here is a zip file. Inside that we have the exe file. So I'm going to unzip this. Okay, and we will get one folder, and inside that folder we have our installation file, which is DNP3 Outstation server simulator. So you have to double click here to start the installation, and you have to press next. You have to agree on the license agreement, and then again you have to press next, and here you have to choose the destination folder. So I'm going to install it in my D drive, and I'm going to press next here. Again we have to press next, and if you want a shortcut then you have to tick these check boxes. So I'm going to leave this checkbox as it is, and I'm going to press next, and then we will press install to install the DNP3 Outstation server simulator. And here you can see DNP3 Outstation server simulator is installed successfully. And if you want to launch, then you can leave this setting as it is, otherwise uncheck this one and press on finish. Okay, so we have successfully installed the DNP3 server outstation simulator. So I hope this thing is clear, that how to install DNP3 client master simulator and how to install DNP3 server outstation simulator. And in the future videos we will see how to use this simulator to connect with different SCADA system and CAP server and other IoT platforms. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.